We have been doing karate and self-defense for a year and a half.
Self-defense to me is not just, kicking, punching, just there to be there. It's more of discipline, and it's more of learning to control yourself and to keep yourself safe from other people.
There you go. Come on. Come on. Good job.
This is a cool school program because of the students. To see the students grow to when we first start, their kicks are crazy, they're all over the place, they're wild, and then to see them get into form and to get into unison and to see the power, not only in their kicks, but the power inside them, how proud they are of their kicks, and to see them grow as a student. As an instructor, it's an amazing feeling. There's nothing like it.
It impacted me so good that now I can protect myself from now on my life. Or like if my little brothers are in danger, I can protect them.
The impact that karate and self-defense has had, it gives the students who are in self-defense and karate a sense of purpose, a sense of accomplishment. And it gives the ones who aren't in it, hey, I want to join this. I want to be like that kid. So the student who may not have been the fastest in basketball, who may not have been the smartest in their class, now is standing out.
We have a lot of different kids. We have Mexican, and we have black, and we have white. We have a lot of different kids, special ed. And being here, we're not here just to learn self-defense, and we make friends, and we stick together when we need it the most.
Come on, Matt. Come on. He's a minion.